Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a copycat recipe for Popeyes chicken sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. I will also write down the ingredients with the exact measurements down in the description box below if you would like to know the exact measurements. So I have some brioche buns, I have cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, and then I'm also going to be using some salt. And then I also have some mayonnaise. I usually use the Asian mayonnaise, but right now I don't have any, so I'm just using regular mayonnaise. And then some pickles, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, some buttermilk, and then over here I have 4 chicken breasts. These are large chicken breasts. I'm going to be pounding them and cutting them in half. And then I also have 2 eggs. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was I went ahead and pounded the chicken to make it a little bit thinner. You don't want it to be too thin though. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut all my chicken in half pieces like this. And after pounding the chicken and cutting it, now I'm going to go ahead and make the marinade. So in a bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of the buttermilk. Then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix the spices into the buttermilk. And after mixing the spices in, now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken breast pieces into this buttermilk mixture. Just going to go ahead and make sure all the chicken is completely coated before I put it in the fridge. I'm just going to cover this with some saran wrap and I'm going to place it in the fridge for 6 hours. You can leave this in the fridge overnight or for 8 hours or however long you would like, but I would do it for at least 6 hours. Okay, so it's been almost 6 hours, but before I take the chicken out of the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and make the flour mixture. So over here I have 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, and I'm going to be adding some spices. Over here I mixed 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, and then 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. So I'm going to add this to the flour and I'm going to mix it in very well. After mixing the spices into the flour, in a separate bowl I went ahead and mixed 2 eggs with 1 cup of buttermilk. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken out of the fridge. Alright, so my chicken has been in the fridge for about 6 hours, and now I'm going to be coating the chicken with the flour mixture. So over here I have my chicken, the flour mixture, and then my bowl of buttermilk and eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and start coating the chicken now. So first I'm going to be coating the chicken with the flour mixture, and then I'm going to be dipping it in the egg and buttermilk mixture and then back into the flour mixture. So I'm going to coat it twice so it can be more crispy. And this is how the chicken looks like when it's coated. And now I went ahead and preheated some canola oil, and I'm going to be frying the chicken. So you want to fry the chicken until the internal temperature is 165. So it'll be about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. While my chicken is frying, I'm going to go ahead and make the mayonnaise sauce I'm going to be putting on my sandwich. So over here I have half a cup of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And I'm just going to mix it in very well. All right, so I went ahead and fried the chicken for about 6 minutes total. So 3 minutes on each side, and look how crispy this looks. And after frying the chicken, now I'm gonna go ahead and toast the buns. So I'm gonna be using brioche buns, and I heated some butter, and I'm just gonna be putting them in there for about a minute until they're toasted. Alrighty, so after toasting the buns, now we're ready to go ahead and put the sandwich together. So I'm going to be adding some mayonnaise sauce and then some pickles, and then I'll be topping it with the chicken and also some more mayonnaise sauce on the other side of the bun. And this is the final look for the Popeyes Copycat Chicken Sandwich. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.